In today's digital age, making money through apps has become an increasingly popular way to earn extra income. Many people are discovering that their smartphones can become powerful tools for generating revenue. So, how exactly can you make money through apps? Well, one common way is through app monetization. This involves incorporating advertisements into your app and earning money whenever users click on or view these ads. Ad networks like Google AdMob or Facebook Audience Network can help you manage and optimize your ad placements effectively. Another avenue is in-app purchases. This allows users to buy additional features, virtual goods, or subscriptions within your app. Popular games often use this strategy, where players can purchase special weapons or unlock new levels for a fee. Additionally, you can offer paid downloads for your app, where users pay a one-time fee to access the full version. This is ideal for apps that provide unique and valuable content or services. Some apps also rely on the freemium model. This means that the app is free to download and use, but it offers premium features or content that users can unlock by paying. This approach appeals to a wide range of users, as they can initially experience the app before deciding if they want to invest in the premium version. Furthermore, sponsorship and partnerships present opportunities for app creators. By collaborating with brands, you can showcase their products or services within your app, attracting both users and revenue. In order to succeed in making money through apps, it's important to create a high-quality app that meets a specific need or solves a problem. You should also consider factors like user experience, market demand, and competition to stand out in a crowded app marketplace. Remember, making money through apps requires effort and dedication. It's essential to continuously engage with your users, collect feedback, and update your app to keep it relevant and appealing. With the right approach, creativity, and perseverance, you too can tap into the vast potential of apps and start generating income.